what Percy look what Percy said tie up, peeps.
Yeah, man.
No, look what Percy really said tie up. Look on my one, peeps. If he said me kind of do a good look job more than Percy, you know. Fully active, you know, peeps. Yeah, man, chicken them a fry. Looking nice. Wow, smell that. That's the chicken done fry. And I go and keep warm. Look on the rice. No rice are steamed down. Yeah man, shelly and look nice. Rice are steamed down. See that? Yeah man, we bust the back of the lobster them. So you know, see it there? Them bust. So the juice and everything will go inside. Yeah man. What's up? What go on, my beautiful babes? Step on the road in the night here. Yeah man, our time you know, 6:25. You know the place get dark at Jamaica early. Yes, so right now I'm up on my way. I got the Moon Palace. I'm going to pick up a husband and wife. They say they want to do night fishing. Yeah man, this is their second time booking with me. Because tomorrow we're going to do some Riverside cooking. And their first time booking is like they want to do some fishing. So we didn't get the chance to do the fishing. So this time them is like, okay Sunrise, we're going to make it happen. And I'm like, okay, let's do it the night before the river cooking. So right now, and we're going to pick them up. Soon as we reach, enter the hotel, we make you see what I want, or the hotel situation. You know, Moon Palace is a nice hotel. Yes, pick up the guests them. And we are going to head for the seaside. On the rock, we are going to fish yardman style at the night here. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, I'm Percy and the two just right now. Percy sit down at the back of the car. They are going to wrap on the line them on the buckle because we buy the brand new line, but we never buy any fishing rod. You know what I mean? Because we say we are going to deal with the thing, yardman style. Yo, what a traffic we have to catch to come back up. You see what I see how long, Percy? And we have to say traffic start there, you know? Come. Not good at go right there, so me are coming to reach you, me are come on. On the traffic peeps. But yeah, Percy are going to wrap on the line them and tie on the fishing hook them and pick up the guests them. They say them have some fishing bait. I don't know what them have, but then tell me, so only thing they have a line. Them have fishing hook and them have fishing bait. So me is like, okay, me have the rest of stuff then. Fishing hook. Can't too much, so you know me buy some fishing hook, we still have some and them have some cars. At night now, so any fishing hook each between the rack them we have to do cut it off. So stay tuned, poetry I just made the peeps, yardman style, you know what I mean? Yeah man, fully active outside. Burger King, right upside Burger King. You find hotel where I'm going, Moon Palace. Yeah, man, left and turn right round here, so babes. Yeah, man, I call the guests them, let them know. So me outside now, so then if you send me name at the front desk, you know what I mean? Yes, I believe, no man. Moon Palace, you see it, pre? Yeah, man, see it there. On the property now, and this is the gate, you know, the gate big and pretty on this peeps, you know what I mean? That's just one of the next second checkpoint. So if you fly past down there, so then you have to tap your this so pick up the guests them here now. In a real life, I don't even know if they want to, or that dinner time, I don't even know if they want to be film, I don't ask them yet, so. And now at the same time I pick them up and we see them in the car if they want to be filmed, you know what I mean? Yes, I. Up there we going. So I guess them at the front at the lobby waiting for me. Yeah, here they come. They, yeah, these people.
Yeah, you see it there. Bowl at all, big keg.
Yeah, man. I don't know we're going to mash up and throw a line, peeps. Brawling. Yes, I. have to catch some big fish in the night, peeps. What them are greater cake. Boy, them look whole peeps upon them. You remember them?
Donkey jaw boat. Jackass car.
Yo, peeps. Them are some tough thing, you know.
Yes, man.
Wow. Yeah, man, them the broke teeth, man. You say 2 bull are good enough?
Yeah, man.
What kind of little bird them are? Them bird are feel soft too, you know. Butter bread. That's how I feel so. Can't travel with one of them too, man. Yeah, man. I guess then there's somewhere not to pick up to, you know, peeps. Peeps, where is where you tie up, peeps?
Man.
Look where Percy tie. Look what Percy said tie up, peeps.
Yeah, man.
No, look what Percy really said tie up. Look for my one, peeps. If he say me kind of do a good job more than Percy, you know. Because the line there up there so who can see it there. Sink go gas sand bottom. Yeah, go sit down on sand. And food up here so I go and swing around so fish come and get catch. Yeah, man. So we there, you know, a line up. Tie and we hook them cause you know the guests them say they may bring some hook so me ain't line up the line them or nothing. Me da wait for see feed them hook but me see that the hook them when bring it come like a mostly fishing rod them they figure up on cause Femon come with some sinker pan here already. Femon have some big sinker and through a rock side we go through. No fish say we want them there. You know what I mean? So we there tie up or we tie up to go out there. Percy.
Okay.
I will guess them laughing. Yeah, boss lady said that's gonna catch everything. Hey, make, hey, Percy was short like him, peeps. In a real life, and tuku. But we there, get ready and see that we get bull and bust and bird and something. Peeps is a vibes tonight. Just stay tuned. When we go out there, we show you what go on. Yeah. See bait them what they say. Have you now? Lobster. We say all the while lobster the mighty fish them in the sea. Now the time the fish then get a chance now to eat the lobster. See what go on the peeps? Yeah man, lobster we are going to use you know. Some bait. Yardman style. Lobster tail. Yeah man, we don't want the head. Can't throw it, well I'm not throwing it yet. I use the head bait up the water. So them are smelly so we catch all the peeps. Yeah man. Boss I cut up here now and get some bait and we line up and throw out. See who catch the first one. Because Percy have to throw a film one out there when you make you know. You can't throw none of the else one a film one when you make him have to throw. Yeah man, bait up here now. You say meat firm? No, yeah, use this something for one now, man. Line up that one I make his throw you out. Yeah, man, and put it on one thing now to fling him out same time. Cut him look. Thing look bigger. Bait up line here now.
He never had that episode of fishing. I think you better have that episode of these fishing.
You never had a fishing episode yet?
Yeah, but I do it like less. I have fishing episode. But not at night. If you wrap him around good and bend up your hook around something there. Yeah, because you sit you in soft. Yeah, you know you're going to try and go as far as possible because you don't want to drop at the rock. So you're going to like swing the line. Yeah, and then... Yes, so you can you feel when picky if anything or your gate lens cause it's deep, you know, very deep, maybe around 2 light posts. So you can gate length and come back around here so upon the flat and do your thing. Alright, we're going this one now, Percy. Percy say my line up on next one, I just throw off one peeps. Yeah, I think he get a pick a while ago. I think he just get a pick. I would say it's a lucky day, man.
That's a damn necklace.
Yeah, peace. Me there I go line up and short my line too. Percy, where you gone? No, look here now. You're wrong. Come back with my line, sir. I hear when you show off. Don't do it. No, man. See, if you look do off here, where you tie up. Alright, here one. Alright, go on, sir. See what Percy are going with. Percy gone way over here, sir. You know. We didn't do off. Alright, sir. Out there. Alright. The first time he catch a little fish and scream like a baby, we see I go on tonight. That's all. People on this up, you know. Yard man fishing. Yeah man, I throw out. See me line and now, you know, peeps. Yes. See, they throw out. Everybody throw out in line. It look like nobody get no pick yet or nothing. Hopefully, me can get a pick or catch something. Them over there having fun. Something there, peeps. You know, I go in a fishing, you just have to wait and have a little patient. Yardman style, you see it? Yes, I. Water calm and nice. Be a laugh, Ozzy. And wifey up there laugh. Like wifey laughing off of Ozzy. Right, time to start so we can catch you now. Alright, peeps, you didn't catch none in a person who go with your line.
Boy, first line gone way out of sea like a fish catch it.
Yo, we say first, as we go down there, person go once I go throw a field line, peeps. The man throw a whole line I see, the buckle, everything I see. Yeah, man, but generally around this the same way, you know what I mean? Boss lady did this, so me there. Yo, I tell you, come like the fish don't like the lobster, you see it? Yeah, man, cause, yo, I tell you, say me have lobster on the hook for more than 15 minutes and it a come up back. No fish now bite it or nothing, so they don't like the lobster, so you know what I mean? Great little thing. The greatest thing still gets them experience it, you know what I mean? And we see all the other people there here are fish and I tell us, say, them a move up and down too, so maybe no fish now run and a moon shine, so I don't know if that have things to do with the fish them, you know what I mean? But otherwise everything active. Tomorrow the big day, river cook. Picking some fresh lime from the tree. Yeah man, see them? I walk and pick up or drop off before me pick off none off of the tree cause them been dropping off hard from the other day. Come down here and I start pick up couple but me I say me get my camera and show you what I go on here, see it? Yeah, guess them order some nice lemonade yardman style, you know what I mean? Yeah man, you can use your lemon and make your lemonade, but this we are use lime. So see now, whole heap of them ripe and drop off of the tree. Yes man, it's a good look when them can ripe and drop. Nobody now rush them. Man, them all a drop and a spoil. See, sun a burn them up. Sun hot, you know me peeps. Yeah, sun a tired there boy. Yeah man, I pick up lime. Picking up lime. Look how much me find already. So what's up tree? So what's up at the pine young so what's up? So whole heap of moringa there. Whole heap of moringa. But me no want no more in there. A lime me I deal with. Yeah, man. Lime. So come like me find around a dozen lime under the tree. So it's a good look. More than a dozen. Count with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 lime. Good amount of lime that mix lemonade, peeps. We don't have to touch none. The man and see it have lime pan tree same way, all type, all size. So we have young lime there come up same way. And we have fit lime can pick. See it there? You know what I mean? See it there, so young lime. Look right this again. Young lime. You know why? Because we make them ripe and drop off of the tree. So the tree like that. You know what I mean? Them a drop and I go back to the ground and then we pick them up. The tree like that. It's like me now force them. Me now pick them off before time. I just make them ripe and drop. You know what I mean? So the tree I go flourish. Look up there, so. Whole heap of young one again. Yeah, man. Active, reactive, man. Yardman style. So me line up to go up on the Riverside. Go do some cooking for some subscribers. So they want lemonade. So me there pick some lime. Catch me in time I reach on the Riverside. Vegetable stopping up, peeps. Get up me look fresh vegetable and my ingredients. For Riverside cooking, because you know everything me do have to be fresh. I want some carrot, onion, zipri, I want cabbage, onion, there. First, I pack up your bag, put this in our bag there. So we get 3 little goodies, then what we are going to use. Yes, you can't come walk in there. Right on the street side, peeps, right on the roadside of Rockabest. Right, a big tree, nice market, the zipri. Yeah, man. See how I eat that? Soon as you light, I see you just dress back. Dress back now. So you see me and both. To pick up the guests them at the Moon Palace Hotel, you know, Yardman style, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, fully active, man. I'm I go load the bus Yardman style too, you know, my babes. Cause I was 7 of them. And the bus when I drive can go carry 7 person with me included. So mean it's a 6-seater, 1 there so and 2 there so and 3 round at the back. You know them way there, but me make a seat round at the back because a Yardman style and you know we not go far. From where the Moon Palace is to where I'm cooking it's like 15 minutes. You know what I mean? Yeah man, so quick and fast we are gonna reach. So I'm gonna pick up the subscriber them now. Yardman style, my babes. Yeah man, so if you're forward to Jamaica, put the Yardman cooking. Believe you are gonna full joy it, you are gonna love it, hey, just trust me man. You are gonna love every bit of it because them guess here I'm my second time they booking. This is the second time in Jamaica. What go on? Lobster. Lobster. Lobster, you know. No snapper today. No snapper, my general. Yeah, man, snapper boss, that you know, peeps. All of them are snapper boss. Fire ketchup. Yeah, man, you saw them fry the fish and the lobster, them and sell them. Yardman style. Yeah, man, see lobster, them. Lobster piece. Yeah, drop one more in that bag. I'm gonna see, yeah, all that way I know. No itching, you know. Get the lobster them to go curry. Yeah man, some curry lobster. So you know everything active. I go pick up the guests them here now and head back to the river where my left Percy I go and do him thing, you know what I mean? I go and season up and go and cook the peas and something. You see it, everything active. Put him in a bus here now. Oh, Chirias. Going up on the one way. What's going on here? Driving in Ochirayas, my peeps, this is it. If you never drive in Ochirayas before, take a little look. Yeah, over on the left you find the craft market. Top side the craft market you find the Moon Palace Hotel. That's where I'm going. I'm gonna make a left hand turn. Moon Palace, the way around at the corner around there, so. My name and everything must left a gate already, so I just drive in like me live on them property. And that my deal. Just drive in like me live on them property. You know what I mean? Yes I. She's like, open the gate for Mr. Jason. I already get his name to enter the property, so he's safe to go. That's what the security told me. So yeah man, we're doing like property and all peeps. Pick up here now. You know it go. Tell us Jamaica nice, but we are burn up down here. When we is what peeps, we're burning up down here. Going up. We're going up. Okay, here we go. Here is my group. I think this is my group. Yeah. Yeah, they come out. Still have some more leave. Yeah, we're good to go. Stop at gas station and now I get some snacks and some water. She like pepper. Pepper.
She love pepper.
It's pepper. You like pepper?
You like pepper?
I like this.
Yeah, just then I get some things and at the gas station. Then we head at the river. Somebody still live?
Yeah, they still in there. But them girls and boys are like that all
No.
day.
Hey, you want to fly the chunk for me? The chunk. Yeah, put this crate flat. I want to put the ice inside. No, the crate. Turn it over. Yeah. No, yeah, flat. Yeah. Yeah, man. Respect. Reach the river, you know. Yeah. Yeah, the river is this side, straight down here. Yeah, man, river vibes. You know what I mean? Reach on the riverside, you know. Yardman style. Kids them glad for the river, you know. So them gone down there before even the parents them. We go see what go on. And then head to river. Reach back on the riverside, you know, peeps. I tell us, see that Percy put some chicken in a pot. Yardman style, so chicken I go and fry. Looking good, season up and flour. Boss, you might catch up on next fire, so we are going to put on the rice. Because you know, say, the place black. But look at Percy, it clear up, man. The place are clear up now. A while ago, the place black, peeps. Black. Yeah, man. Black a while ago, peeps, the place black. So we there do some cooking, we start fry some chicken. Over here, so Percy I blow a fire, Yardman style. So we have some curry lobster for deal with and some curry shrimps, Yardman style. So just stay tuned, we're fully active in our kitchen. Fully active, you know, peeps. Yeah, man, chicken them a fry, looking nice. And I have to boil them up with the fork, you know. That help make the oil go through them. Yeah, man. Alright, putting some rice here now. Yeah, man, putting some rice here now, peeps. Yardman style. Rice and peas. Rice and peas are going to taste nice. Yeah, man, sorry, you know. Man, the outside, you know what I mean? Place come like it get black up again. This time I feel say rain will come, yeah. So there I make case do what I have to do. You know what I mean? Less video in more cooking. But me I show what I can show me still. Fully active. Fully active what lobster this, you know. Lobster when I go buy and watch I use fishing village. Yeah man, well seasoned up already and cut up. Ready to do a fry up in some curry. So you know what thing go, Yardman style. I have some onion and scallion and garlic and all of them things there. I go fry up in an oil and then burn the curry and fry up my lobster. You see it? Yeah man, so throw some curry in an oil. Yeah man, you have to burn the curry. You know what I mean? In a real life. All of them you know. Show them in. Yeah man, onion, garlic, scallion, thyme, all of them there. Yeah man, show them in, make them bun with the curry. Yardman style. Look at the chicken done fry. And I go and keep warm. Look on the rice. No rice are steamed down. Yeah man, shelly and look nice. Rice are steamed down the plates. Yeah man, but right now the curry lobster me I deal with. Little bit after this, we have some curry shrimps. Also have some curry shrimps to deal with too, you know what I mean? Yeah man, look here, pretty. Yeah man. See it, you know what I mean? Bun till then get black. And you want to fry up lobster then. Right pizza, see that? Lobster. Yeah. See that? Yeah man, we bust the back of the lobster then. See you know, see it there? Then bust. So the juice and everything will go inside. Yeah man. Yard man style. Yes sir. Curry lobster peeps. You know what I'm going to do? I'm curry with some coconut milk. So I'm going to keep a little coconut milk in him. The juicer. I'm going to keep the juice and seasoning and everything. Mix some coconut milk. Yeah man, yard man style. Show you the same container. You pray. Yeah man. Yard man style, you know, Pete. I'm going to cover up this, make it fire, and the pot do the work. Fully active. Yes. Curry lobster ready, you know, peeps. I'm going to put in the carrot and Irish and all of them there now. So this way. Aye, where you going? Go back in the pot.
Yeah man, all the curry lobster and the seafood boil.
But we soon can do curry seafood boil.
Oh yeah, man?
Yeah man, so I take off that, you know, peeps. I line up to deal with some shrimps, you know. Some curry shrimps. Put them up there so I don't want to turn over, you know. Yeah man, the pot there for some curry shrimps, but look in there, so see shrimps them here. Yeah man, well seasoned up.
And British people, that's a prawn. Yeah, curry prawn.
See it here? Them well seasoned up. Wait for the pot here now, see. Hot, throw in some oil and burn some curry. And I'm going to burn the curry with as my onion, scallion, garlic, thyme, pepper, all of them there. Then I throw in the shrimps then. And you know, so quick and fast, shrimps them come off by fire because they don't take no time. Shrimps, I know something will take a whole heap of time to cook, you know what I mean? If you cook it too long, it's not go nice. You need to go throw it like a chewing gum you try. So you have to just know where you are. You want to cut one out for hot, throw in a little oil. You don't want a whole heap of oil in it. You know what I mean? Yeah, my butter done. So that's why I need to use your butter. If you have butter, you can use the butter instead of the oil, you see? Yeah man. I just use little oil. Wait for my fire to catch up here now. Yardman style of cooking in up peeps. Yeah man, outdoor cooking. Food tastes nice, take longer if you don't cook. Smoke burn out your eye, but the food nice, you know what I mean? Yeah man, look on the fried chicken. Nice. And you see what I'm doing? Now keep the fried chicken warm, so I have it at the fireside. Yeah man, I go and keep I go and keep warm. Yardman style, you know what I mean? So everything actually done here now. I just the shrimps leave, and then we have a vegetable for steam. We don't mix the lemonade. The guests them down there a full jar themselves. Rain a fall up in the hills, so the river come down, the river dirty, you know, pretty like how they pretty this morning, but the food I got taste nice, like how it always tastes nice. So just subscribe to the channel. Let me test the aisle. Aisle don't hot yet. Wait for the aisle to hot. Whoa, aisle. Yeah man, aisle hot, you know. Throwing them there. Throwing some curry. You can throw in a curry first, or you can throw in a curry after. You know what I mean? You don't want to hold it because you don't know we have curry on the lobster already. You know, make them fry up in the curry. As soon as them they fry up in the curry, We have a show in them here. But me need them, I forget look at frying still, you know what I mean? Yeah, I don't want them fried till them burn, you know. It actually same way like how I do the lobster a while ago. That's how I'm going to do this, but this going to just cook more faster than the lobster. Yardman style, you know what I mean? Some curry lobster, fully active. Yeah, man.
A prawn this or a shrimp cause you done the lobster already.
You say I done the lobster
Yeah, man,
already.
yeah, it's a curry lobster.
Some curry shrimps. I know the curry lobster. First you say I done the lobster already. I shrimps
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, fully active, man.
So you cook too much lobster, peeps.
Too much lobster. Last night we were fishing and even lobster we are using.
Alright.
Beer lobster. Active, man.
And plus you can't want my lobster for go cook for your dog, bro.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Shot the 2 pictures of sauce to me, you know what I mean? One bad chef, Sunriseboss.
Yeah, man.
Alright, see now, you know. Throw in. Wow, smell that. Yeah, man, see my pigs. We have my coconut milk. And throw in some coconut milk. And stirring. You know, shrimps are something with spring water in the teeth. So I'm also lean. Yeah, man, shrimps are something with spring water. So I just cover it up here now and make it go and spring some water and cook down. And I cut up some carrot and Irish stew and you know him that, but look on him. Pretty. Yardman style. Fully active. Here in time, you know, I've got my gloves. I'm on fried chicken. You know what I mean? Guess them have a full jar themselves right now. Yardman style, listen up, peeps. Sunriseboss production. Sunriseboss and Percy production.
Fully active.
Believe no, man. Alright, see this? Yeah, man, this ready. Lock off if you guess them. Sure, we are go through, you know, sure. And bring down a river go give them. So, this finish. And close up like this. Deal with it. Curry, you know. Yardman style. Right. See curry around us, so I go and keep warm. Because I don't serve cold food, you know, peeps. Food not for cold, you know. You see, you put it on the chicken. Look at that. Curry shrimps. Pretty and nice. Yardman style. Sunriseboss production. Yeah, man. Watch, look at this. These are the vegetable. Some steamed vegetable. Yeah. Put them here up here, so.
Peeps.
Black thing make it look funny too much. Soon wipe off the cover. You know what I mean? Here, say, you know, showing some steamed vegetable. What go on?
What the?
No,
Something
still
like
have,
that.
no, man, we still have more pan, man. Steamed vegetable in this plate. Wow. Want a spoon to take out, so. Yeah, man, remember we have enough pan, you know, man. We buy pan, you know. So we have pan. Steamed vegetable, that, you know, peeps. Yardman style. We're going up here, so. Yeah, man. And what we have here now, we have
The rice and
curry.
the lobster.
Rice and curry lobster. Long time this cooking also. I wonder if the gravy dry out. I don't think so. So I go on with the peeps. Curry lobster. Yeah, man, gravy did them one. See, pre? Yeah, man. Some curry lobster. Yardman style. Mm-hmm. Fully active, man. Rice and peas now. Look at this way, it's good old rice and peas. Yes. Yardman style. Dig in a pot. We're gonna serve cold food for hot. I'm gonna see everything I push eat peas. Yardman style. You know them where they fully active, man. One Sunriseboss, though. Yeah, man. See it, rice and peas ready. Oh. Good. See it, rice and peas, vegetable, shrimps. Push them down, have a look at what I want. Peas there, shrimps there, and chicken there. What else left, Percy?
Nothing else on this.
Nothing else left, like this? Okay, so everything peeps ready to go down. One Sunriseboss. You see, Pre? Yeah, man, fully active, man. Yardman style. So I'm gonna line up now and bring down some food. Fully active. Food share, food done cooking now. And you know, buffet style, so them do them sharing. Yardman style. Yeah, man. Fully active, man. Yeah, man. Fully active, man. Everybody full join themselves now. Yeah, man, Yardman style. Fully active, man. I go pick them up at the hotel and come cook for them. So you know they be waiting a good while. When find a friend. They find a friend. Begging piece of chicken, boy, meow. I didn't even love chicken like I love lobster or shrimps. Because you eat chicken regular. Yeah, man.
Nice.
Yeah, man. Fully active peeps. Yes, done cook. Heading back to the heading back to the hotel and now leaving the river, peeps. Yardman style. Oh. Yeah, now we reach back the hotel. See a flight tomorrow to all. Yeah. Okay.
Give Percy our love, tell him one love.
Okay. So, bye. Everybody leave the bag. Everyone leave the bag. They just take out their phone and move. Yeah, they just take out their phone and move. Okay, time to go now, peeps. Work finished in a real life, Yardman style.